Hi Leah, the laser has arrived safely and I'm honestly fascinated by it. Elle didn't expect it to be so compact and small. Really love the design and overall build quality. Everything looks very professional and high quality and I'm extremely satisfied so far. Also, the shipping was surprisingly fast, so thank you again for the great support and smooth process through. I got everything. I definitely want to stay in contact with you for future cooperation. Right now, I'll just need a bit of time to properly learn everything and get familiar with the settings and workflow, but I'm really excited to start working with it. Thank you again, Leah.
Laser-driven, reshape your